Fuses are down there, right here. There's the problem, that this little thing. Okay, of course the headlights don't work now. That's why I'm in Simon Autokorjaamo. That means car fixing in Finnish. And so that guy there has to fix. Let's see if the headlights will work. That would be wonderful. But this is landy life in a nutshell. It's important to be in the garage every now and then. Let's hope for the best. So here we are, trying to fix the landy. Headlights broken. Here we have the fuses. Fuses are down there, right here. Have to take the seat out to get to the fuses. Luckily I found some repair guy that seems to know his stuff. He has all the right attributes. The beard, doesn't speak any English. Perfect. Luckily I can speak Finnish like a 5-year-old. That helps in situations like this. Knowing the local language is always a good thing. Oh, that guy has bigger tires than my Landy. I want his tires. Can I have his tires? Really cool. So here now we are trying to fix the headlights. New repair guy, same Landy, fixing it in some other place. Fixus. Let's hope that they can fix it. It's very important to have a positive attitude to trouble when you're out with the Landy. It is sort of meant to be this way. If you get annoyed every time, you will be annoyed all the time. It's better to just sort of, yeah, it will be okay. Now we're driving towards Oulu. Now we have come to the right place. Björnholm Services in Oulu. An old Landy, older than mine, really nice. And another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. These guys can definitely fix my Landy, that's for sure. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so there's the problem. This little thing, if you hold there now, I'm gonna show the guys. If you
the switch,
that's what we have to fix. So that was the thing, that copper thing there had come off. But we can fix it.
Hopefully, yes.
Easily. What was your name?
Yanni.
Yanni. If you're in Oulu and you get trouble with your Landy, come here. So that copper thing there had come off and was lying on the side there. That copper thing there was on the side, but now exactly how we want it. And Landy is in good hands. So this was Björnholm Services in Oulu. If you ever get into trouble in Oulu with your Landy, this is the place. So they fixed the thing, great. And I even got the company, that's right, great, not bad. BS, no BS. But the Landy works.